Frustrated by the Windows Recovery Agent DLL pop-up crashing your app? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's troubleshoot the cause and fix it for good. Before we get started with Windows Recovery Agent, you may want to try the diagnostic path below to ensure your system is properly synchronized. This is the Windows Recovery Agent, the Windows Recovery Environment, Winreagent library. It manages the configuration and localized status of the system recovery partition. If missing or corrupted, the Reset This PC feature will fail, and the system will be unable to boot into advanced startup options to troubleshoot boot failures. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. If Windows Recovery Agent DLL is missing, it indicates a problem with your Windows system image. I suggest running sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a surgical repair of your core operating system files. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Windows Recovery Agent component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Protect your digital environment by ignoring unofficial download links for Windows Recovery Agent DLL that could lead to identity theft or the permanent loss of sensitive project files. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. If library alerts are present, the system resource below offers informational guidance on managing Windows Recovery Agent dependencies. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching Windows Recovery Agent today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.